Hello there. I'm teacher Dara from the beautiful country of the Philippines. My love for learning English brought me into this beautiful world of teaching. Do you want to get better at reading and speaking English? If so, you are in the right place. I'm here to help you learn and have fun every day. And if you participate well in my class, I will give you some rewards. An ice cream, a pizza, and four special awards. Ta-da! A hamburger. Yum, 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 yum. I've been an ESL teacher for 4 years now. I hold a bachelor's degree and I have certificates like TEFL, so I am very much qualified to teach English. I get along well with children, teenagers, and adults. I guarantee that after one of my lessons, you'll be more confident in speaking in English and be the best English communicator you can be. Learning English is not just about mastering grammar or building better sentences. It's about helping you express yourself and be heard. Don't worry about making mistakes because they are a natural part of learning. In my classes, you will enjoy a warm and friendly space where you can feel comfortable and be yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join me in my classes now. See you soon.